Have you ever wondered what it takes to make those famous Texan barbecue briskets? We visited a famous barbecue joint in Dallas, Texas, and got to see the process of making their 16-hour beef brisket. Thank you to the original Roy Hutchins for giving us a tour of their barbecue facility. Yeah, so this place is open 364 days a year except Christmas. It takes 16 hours to make one brisket. 16 hours to make one brisket. And this pile of wood will probably take them 3 days to consume this pile of wood.
Wow.
Amazing.
I'll show you behind these real quick. We use post oak, pecan, and red oak. Kind of keep everything. That's our wood choice. Some people tend to use something a little bit different. So everything is wood smoked. No propane, nothing like that. These actually aren't on right now. That's kind of like what the internals look like. So we're probably going to use that like 3 days.
3 days?
Oh,
wow.
Yeah. That's kind of like the insides, and then I'll take y'all around to the other side to show you what the inside of these things look like.
Oh my God.
We got somebody here 24 hours a day, 363 days a year besides Christmas and Thanksgiving.
Okay.
So we always have someone here making sure the temperatures are regulated because it takes 16 hours to cook a brisket.
Oh, 16 hours for one brisket? Nice. Wow, look at these. Wow, look at it. I want to get these. I need one of these.
Y'all ready?
Wow, look at that. The money shot right there, boy.
So,
wait,
when do you use this one versus the one outside? So, different types of meats. So, like the ribs and sausage you picked out there. We use the briskets and we use a few different things in here. I don't know. On a day like Saturday, we're probably going to go through 140 briskets. So, most of these bad boys are on right now cooking.
wait.
When do you use this one? These ones, you gotta get a nice even all the way around. Instead of just coming from the bottom. And back here, yeah, no, back here, I mean, that was pretty much the cool stuff. Like over here would just be like our warmers that we keep everything. So we cook the brisket in 16 hours, and the moment it's done, it's brought up to us. From there, we serve it to you guys, so it's the freshest, freshest, fresh.
Wow.
So good.
Y'all like it?
It was really good.
Y'all like it?
Best one we've ever had.
Yeah.
Definitely better than root. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Your statement was absolutely right.
Real quick, is this the best barbecue place?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, all right.
You guys are ready?
Now it's time to try their legendary overnight brisket.
It's not bad, actually.
So we do have a smaller one that's like 6.8. But it's these right here. These are the big boys right here. Those are 40 grand a pop.
Yeah, I can't afford it. Yeah.
Fries and okra are good. The rice is really good.
So what's the verdict? The brisket was incredibly moist, melt in your mouth super good. What really sets this barbecue joint from the rest are their wide selection of sides, from rice to beans, fries, and okra, potato salad, and broccoli salad. They seem to have it all. And since we dined in, we also got to try their good old Texan banana pudding and peach cobbler. You don't even need a knife, it just falls off so perfectly.
This is really good.
It's very tender. Absolutely yummy.
So I think it's spicy or tangy. This thing, oh my goodness. This banana pudding, the best. It's real good. All this good food.
Very good.
Yeah, this is the best barbecue I have. Yeah, by far, right now. I mean, it just melt. Look at that. Just picked up. You don't even have to have barbecue sauce. It tastes delicious, yeah.
Note that this video was not sponsored by Roy Hutchins Barbecue. Thank you for watching, y'all.